Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to make a return at Nike online. So basically what you're gonna have to do is to simply go to your order and enter your order number and email address, then select start return. Your order number can be found in any of the order emails they send to you. Then you're gonna have to select the items to return and provide the return reason. Then you're gonna have to submit your return to get the return shipping address. Be sure to note or print the address that they automatically email you. Send your items back by taking your return to your carrier of choice. And as you can see, please package your return securely. If possible, use the original packaging. Remove or cover any previous shipping labels and barcodes to avoid shipping delays. So basically that's all you have to do. Now as you can see, you have this button where it says start guest return, and if you click on that, you're gonna basically get redirected here. So in order to access this page, you're gonna have to scroll down and then go to returns, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on learn how to return, and then you're gonna see here this page. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.